Hi, this is Mrs. Patterson's homework help. We're on Math Chapter 4, Lesson 11. Still dealing with multiplication. This is the last lesson in Chapter 4. And we're going to learn about multiplying across zeros. When we come across a zero in multiplication, it can be confusing. And the thing that I always like to remind kids when we're dealing with zeros is treat it like any other digit. Whatever it's asking you to do, just you know those rules, just go with it. So here they've done an example. 4 times 5 is 20. They carried the 2, put the 0 down. What is 4 times 0? It's 0, but we still have to add the 2 that we carried, so that's 2. Then 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, and 4 times 1 is 4, 1 more is 5. So we have 5620. So don't treat it like any other digit. 4 times 0 is 0, but we still had to carry, and that means we add that number, okay? All right, let's do my method of putting my notebook paper on the side. I'm going to do one more problem and showing you how I use that sideways notebook paper. Okay, 6 times 9 is 54. I'm carrying my 5, putting my 4 down. Okay, 6 times 0 is 0, but we still have this 5 that we need to add to whatever the product was here. So 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 6 times 7 is 42. And the answer is 4,254. Check for reasonableness. I am not too worried about that. We could round that to 700 and multiply it by 6, and we would get 4,200, and we see that that answer is very, very close. But I'm not looking for this. I want to know if you can multiply that within a 0. Okay, let's look at the back. The back of this page has additional 0 multiplication problems, and don't be worried about this. When they lay it flat, just stick it back up like these. There's no reason. They do that because we're going to have, in life, we have multiplication problems all different ways. Okay. Then we have 3 word problems and a practice problem. Remember, what are we talking about? Don't get freaked out about word problems. We have 201 sets of markers, and each set has 8, so you're just multiplying 201 times 8. Okay? Today's bonus question is, what is 6,001, times 4?